Let's talk about the best hand pruner for smaller hands. A compact, powerful tool every gardener with delicate or precise pruning needs should know about. We've placed links in the description box for the latest deals and top-related picks to make sure you're always ahead with the best choices. For those with smaller hands or those who prefer lightweight, compact tools, the Okatsune 101 stands out as a precision instrument. At 7 inches long, with handles about 5 inches, this pruner is crafted for effortless control. Designed for hands up to 7.2 inches long and 3.3 inches wide, it's perfect for gardeners who've struggled with bulky, oversized tools. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, even for those wearing size small or extra small gloves. The blades are forged from high-carbon Izumo Yasuji steel, the same material used in high-performance chef's knives and bonsai tools. With an impressive Rockwell hardness of 60-61, these blades stay sharp for extended periods, delivering clean cuts with little effort. Whether tackling delicate stems or thicker branches up to an inch in diameter, this pruner gets the job done without tearing or crushing, ensuring your plants heal quickly. The hollow ground blade design directs sap away, keeping the blades clean and aligned even with heavy use. Plus, the V-shaped spring ensures evenly distributed tension, resulting in a smooth cutting motion every time. While its compact size shines for precision work, it doesn't skimp on durability. Some users report these pruners lasting decades with minimal maintenance. Here's the best part. Maintenance is straightforward. A quick clean after use, a bit of oil, and you're ready for the next round. Rust isn't stainless steel's friend, so keeping it dry and occasionally applying rust remover or vinegar will maintain its pristine condition. Some feedback from testers revealed that the locking mechanism might feel slightly awkward, protruding when locked or dangling when unlocked. But the simplicity of operation, being able to open and close the lock with one hand, outweighs the minor inconvenience. In slippery situations, a pair of gloves can solve that. For even better convenience, consider the optional leather holster. It attaches securely to your belt, keeping your pruner within easy reach while protecting it from wear. Pair it with an Okatsune whetstone for blade sharpening, and you have an unbeatable tool for life. If your needs extend to preparing the soil itself, you won't want to miss the best tiller for small gardens. It's ready to play on the screen now.